We all in this kitchen where the food is good. You already know that you cooking with wood. Wood, what you cooking tonight?
Chicken wings.
Chicken wings, mustard fried, Tampa, Florida style. So he already going in with his seasoning. You gonna tell him what kind of seasonings you using?
I think I use some all-purpose season, some complete, a little seasoned salt.
What? You put season salt?
Just a little bit. Um, Garlic powder and onion powder, and I think that's it.
Why you
Oh,
don't like
maybe some
using
hot sauce, and then some mustard.
why you don't like using black pepper when you cook chicken?
Um, I do put. I think I did. It was off camera.
Oh, you did a little bit.
A little bit.
Cause I
Yeah.
love using black pepper. I think it looks so good on chicken. Now, I taught Wood how to fry chicken. For those of you who like to be like, oh, he could cook better, I taught him how to cook. Didn't I? Well, you ain't gotta lie to the people now. You ain't gotta lie. So he just going there mixing it up with his hands. Now my husband say he finna start doing content again. He gonna be posting his own videos and all that. Comment down below if y'all ready to be seeing Wood in the kitchen, in the real estate world, in the grocery store, etc. Now we did something different this time. You wanna talk about it, babe?
Oh, she want me to fry the tip separate. I don't know why.
I seen this Asian man on Instagram that was frying just the tips only, and it looked so good. So I told my husband today I want him to fry me some tips. And Peach Patch, when I tell y'all, they definitely was a good time, phenomenal, and choice. Ate them all.
I was gonna say, did you eat some?
I ate one piece.
I
I
said,
literally
don't say
had
did
one
you.
piece. Phenomenal and choice. Ate them all. When I say dogging them back to back to back. So if you ain't never fried just chicken wing tips, I'm gonna recommend it. 10 out of 10. All right, so daddy dropping it in. Babe, what's the secret to not having no dirty grease?
We use brand new grease every time. As soon as after we cook it, we throw it away.
But you also like your grease don't be getting dirty while you
Oh, while we
frying it.
frying it.
Yeah. And then how you get the fire alarms not to go off? Because every time I cook, the fire alarms be going off and stuff.
I don't know. I be turning it down. Like I mess with it the hour instead of keeping it on high.
Babe, you so fun. Seriously, it's just something about a man in the kitchen that just be turning me on, got me hotter than this chicken grease. I'm hot and I'm bothered. How you feel about cooking for such a large family? Because a lot of people don't know how to cook for a family this big.
Got used to it. It's easy.
Do you
It's
still feel?
better than cooking large than small. I think to me,
I was just gonna ask you that. Do you still feel like you could cook a little bit of food, or you feel like you gotta cook a lot?
it's best to cook a lot than not cook a lot. Cause you know how our kids is too. If you just cook with just enough, so I don't know.
Why you so fine? Oh my God. So, anyways, he let the chicken wing tips get real, real brown. Comment down below. Have y'all ever fried just these? I feel like food so high, you might as well. Next up is the chicken tenders that we got for the babies. And then we got regular chicken wings for everybody else that wants some. The babies could have chicken wings too. But y'all, when I tell y'all I'm mad that we ain't got no more of these, I would love to eat me some chicken wing tips. Would you cook me some tonight? Look at that. We call him Big Daddy is
Said they
looking
was
like
white
a
at first, then
good time, huh?
you said it was white.
Yeah, they was white, but you got them dark. They look good.